We're waiting for a ginger who's not arriving. He's essentially.
Oh,
he's arriving. He's arriving.
So as you've guessed from the title of this video, Ginger Man has bought his own Rally C1. It does require the odd bit of bodging, a couple of transplants from his previous old C1s that you all know, and a little bit of testing on the back roads of Wales. So without further ado, enjoy, grab yourself a brew and relax, or something along those lines.
Hello, Johnny B Legs. He has a small penis. So that's just our mic check.
So that's how we fucking test the mics now, is it?
Johnny has a small penis, and Luke's saying the N-word.
Back up that.
Small penis. Johnny has a really small penis.
The man figuring it all out. That's how it's working.
Yeah, it's not working. Right, just disconnect everything. Turn everything on.
That's how it's fucking working.
No, it's using it. You'll know it.
He just fucked off down there. He's turned around, he has.
Oh, this is disgusting.
It's live. We're waiting for a ginger who's not arriving. He's essentially. He's arriving. He's arriving.
You said we're from here. Well, no, I thought you said we were literally on the 855 now. Oh shit, we're literally there. Oh shit. So I was like, well, we can go left. Well, me and Johnny will go after. You do it later.
Brilliant. We're gonna have some Google spec videos. Get out of the way, man. I've got blood on it. There we go. Come on, give it a kick.
Well, I had my first. Don't get kicked in the fucking line. I'll kick you in a minute.
Oh no. So what have we discovered today, Mr. Groove?
So it feels a bit flat on acceleration. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to change the VVT solenoid.
Nice.
And I'm in a fortunate position where I own two C1s already. So I can transfer some parts to test whether or not
it will
it's
make a
actually
difference.
the thing that I think it is.
Yes. So far we've already taken the airbox off.
Taking the airbox off. I've disconnected
discovered
the dipstick thing.
That's fucking filthy. If you just peel this back. If we just... I haven't got the fingernails for this. There we go. Got it. Fucking filthy. And he's currently doing what now? I'm in pain! It's rather...
Work on cars, they said. It'll be fun, they said.
Yes, it's a bit stylishly coloured, this wee little engine bay. However, I believe that is what we need to get to down there. Big bit. Alright. Alright, so progress update. We have removed the VVT which belongs there. This is that smelly piece of metal. Little bit dry. I mean, would prefer it to be covered in oil, but you know, can't ask for everything. Like, what the fuck does that say? I can't read that. Anyway, numbers and letters. So yes, he's now gone to the old C1 over here. You're now going to repeat the same fucking process.
It smells of death in there.
I'd rather not. The old original.
The El Originale.
Good Jesus. Oh, great heavens. Let's back away from that. It's potent. Good Christ. So, yes, he's right. The stance of a man.
A man who knows what he's doing.
Yes. The inner fiddlings of working on cars.
This is what it takes to keep the mighty C1 living. Oh, hello.
He's fucking done it.
I am the best mechanic in the world. Stop looking at me like that. You disgusting thing. Stop looking at me like that.
Fucking hell.
That is the solenoid, yeah?
Indeed. Pull it out, go on. Give it a good shimmy. Shimmy the bitch out. Do not shit your pants.
I'm a stressed individual right now. Oh, I need to take the plug off. That would probably help.
Tool.
Oh, there we go. That was easy.
Oh, that's quite nice.
This is the most... Oh, this LPG system does my head in. Yes, I do have a car that runs an LPG.
Happy man.
I'm lightheaded. My back's hurting.
Pensioner. So now Mr. Rube has currently gone to find this can, but we're not going to tell him that. Wait for him to find out. Hello. You've walked past it.
What?
Have a look in. Oh, okay, so.
Actually, we'll do it on the grass.
Yes. Do it somewhere clean. Lovelies.
Try to outside.
Yeah, that'd be a good idea.
You need to do the spring, apparently.
Just spray it all.
Because the spring is what actually activates.
Ooh, that sounds potent. Sound smells.
Yeah, I didn't want to listen to it anyway. Right,
This will be a
leaves
pain.
have now been killed.
Yep.
That doesn't smell like it. That smells like caramel. Smell. Are you filming?
Yeah.
Smell
Does
nice.
does smell a bit. I don't know if that is.
I'd drink that. That smells like
I
some
wouldn't.
really high percentage alcohol.
I mean, I wouldn't, but you
Excellent.
can give it a try. Oh, and he's on his arse.
I'm just going to go around the O-ring there.
Just like an oil filter.
Yeah, exactly. Right.
Job's a good one.
In.
Right, get it in now. In she goes. Same way Inch came out.
Oh.
Ah, fucking. Hey, she's in.
Yeah, but is it?
Is it? Inner fiddlings of car work.
It'd be great if I could actually see what I was doing.
Yes. That's what telescopic.
It's that close finger control.
Yes. That's what telescopic cameras are for, but we don't have one of those at our disposal.
Far disposable.
Shut up.
You've done far too many vapes. No, I can't see anything.
No, you're not meant to. You're meant to feel it. Oh, get the inside out. Job's a woman.
You see any dust coming off?
Not really.
I've bent it.
Ah, well. You'll be fine.
You can clean it.
Wouldn't bother.
Look pretty good.
Indeed.
I have cleaned out the butterfly valve as well
Yeah.
because
You'd like the air going in to be clean.
it's preferable, yeah.
Oh, yeah. I mean, in some cars it may be optional, but you know, in this one,
Oh no,
what have you done?
butterfly valve things come off.
Nope. Head.
Oh, the things come out. Why won't you sit still? I talking to a kid with ADHD.
Good on.
What's going on? Pain in the arse. Oh, look, it doesn't stay in.
Put it on.
That's better. No, it's not. What the fuck just going on?
Tell me. Screw that.
Is it like that? Are you sure? We're incredible. I can't be bothered. I simply cannot be bothered.
Oh, fucking weak. Ow. Achy arms. Fucking exhausting.
Right, underneath the car.
Oh, it's a bit muddy.
It's very muddy. It's also very red. There's a slight leak from the brake line. You've got holly bushes there. Slight leak from the brake line there. But honestly, it looks alright. And that just looks worse because it's red. But
Look at this. Top fucking notch.
it's very muddy. But to be honest, I got a lot of the mud out, apart from stuff like that. But
We've missed a bit. Oh, that's